Okay, I'd like to do question 18 from chapter 7 of the textbook. This is on page 196 in the book. Um, we have disk drives. And so here's our data. We have capacity of the disk drive. That's how much memory it has in terabytes, from zero point 0.5 terabytes to 32 terabytes, and then the price. Um, and common sense tells you the higher the capacity of the disk drive, the more it's going to cost. And so you can see if you make a scatter plot, you can see a positive direction. Now, right here it says, suppose we want to predict price from capacity. So anytime you want to make a prediction, that means least squares regression line. And also, it tells you what's your x and what's your y. So predicting price means whatever it is you're trying to predict, that is your response variable, or the y. And so price is the y. And then capacity, you're trying to predict from capacity. So whatever you're using to make the prediction is your x, or your explanatory variable. Also, you could think of it like independent, dependent. The price depends on capacity, so price has to be the response variable, or the y. All right, we will use a spreadsheet to answer this question. So here we have the blue T, which means technology, which means the data is available electronically. So go to, on Canvas, go to My Lab and Mastering, click Open My Lab and Mastering. You get to here, and then you click StatCrunch, and then data sets from your textbook. And then go to chapter 7, sorry. Exercise 18, disk drives again. Okay, so here it is. Now you can use StatCrunch for this as well. I'll show you how to do that in another video, but I'd like to show you how to use a spreadsheet for this. So you just copy, just select everything. Just use your mouse. Oh, hold on here. Okay, there we go. Ah, dang it. Okay, copy paste. There we go. I got it. So Control C for copy, and then go to a spreadsheet, either Google Sheets or Excel, whatever you prefer, and you paste it in. Okay. Now, it doesn't hurt to make a scatter plot first. Click Insert, and then actually, hold on. First, you select your data, and then Insert, Scatter. Okay, just for a quick scatter plot, if you want to take a look at it, there it is, the scatter plot. Now, to get your least squares regression line, you just pick a blank spot on your spreadsheet, and you type =slope, and this will tell you the slope of the regression line. So =slope, and then open parentheses, and then you have to give, this is backwards from the way you normally do it. X usually comes first, Y comes second, but in spreadsheets, I have no idea why they do this, but you have to do the Y coordinates first. So in this case, it's prices. The response variable comes first, and so that would be B1 through B9, and then comma, and then your X coordinates come second. I know it's backwards, but that's how you have to do it. And so that would be A1 through A9, and then closing parentheses, and enter. So 142.17, let's just label that so we know. Okay, that's the slope. So one more time. =slope. Zoom in a little bit here. Hold on here. Just a second. I'm going to zoom this in so everyone can see this. Here we go. Okay, so there we go. So =slope, the cell addresses where your Y coordinates, or the response variable, is there, and then comma, and then the cell addresses of the X coordinates, or the explanatory variable. Okay, so once you have your slope, then you have to find the intercept. So =intercept is the command, and then same thing, your Y coordinates, B1 to B9, and comma, and then your X coordinates, A1 through A9, closing parentheses, and there is your intercepts. Okay, And so your equation, I'll just use y. The equation is y equals, in statistics, we like to put the intercept first, so negative 296.3 plus your slope, 142 point, I'll just round it to 2, times x. There's your equation right there. And I'll label that. The equation of the least squares regression line. I'll just abbreviate. All right, so that's how you use a spreadsheet to do this.